Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of November, it is the Suva Beauty Saffron palette. Perfect colors for the fall. I will put a link for this video as well. I'll put a link for that giveaway as well as my couple other video giveaways that I have going on right now. I'll put links to the videos that talk about how to enter those in the description box down below. I've also got a really big one coming up when on Black Friday. A little hint is it has to do something with the eyes. Just saying. We are unboxing POPSUGAR. It is their must-have winter edition box. So I had to go ahead and set that box down. So POPSUGAR it comes out quarterly. And like I said, this is the winter box. So each box is $75, or you can go ahead and sign up for a year. And if you pay for everything all up front, you do get $30 off of that total subscription. And then I also have a code for you guys if you guys want to check it out and use it, and it will get you $20 off your first box. Kind of helps you out, kind of helps me out just a little bit. So let's dive in and find out what we got. There's always a little pamphlet that talks about the different products. So this says, winter, we're ready for you. This season, our editors are thrilled for you to enjoy this must-have box filled with beauty, fashion, and home products that will take your holiday experience to the next level. Whether you want to get dolled up or go out and stay in and snuggle, you'll find all the essentials you'll need for any seasonal scenario. Unbox new releases we thoughtfully curated from a universally flattering, and it goes and talks about the different items. Okay, so the first product that I am pulling out is by Nima Oberon Lunarea. It's the Bianca Netta rectangle dish tray. We call this anything dish because it's so versatile to use for serving yummy snacks, as a decor on your coffee table, or store pencils on your desk. The trendy black and white design makes this a glam accent for any room. This piece is handmade by artisans using the ancient techniques of sand casting. We love that it's made of recycled materials, and it retails for $69. This is so pretty, you guys. Look at this. It's got kind of a silver edge to it, and then the back and the sides are all this silver color too. This is so pretty. I know exactly where to put this one. I love that they always put a little snack or candy or something in their boxes. So here we have the Fast Bar by El Nutra. It's a fast bar of coconuts. If you need a little chocolate pick-me-up, this coconuts bar is loaded with wholesome ingredients that are both tasty and nourishing. Cocoa powder and a host of premium nuts come together in harmony for a treat you'll be obsessed with. Retails for $3. My husband loves things like this. I think I'm gonna give this to him. I see something I like as a little makeup guru. So this is from Kevin Aqua. It is the Neo Blush in Rose Cliff. In an instant glow in the dead of winter, use this creamy powder that's easy to apply. The pigmented shade is universally flattering and blends satin, matte, and pearl finishes for instant luminosity and major color payoff. It's both blendable and buildable, so you can make it as subtle or as bold as you wish. Just look at even just the packaging on this. It is so pretty. So this retails for $38. Stunning, you guys. Mirror on this side, more peachy tones on here, and it graduates over to the pink. This is gorgeous. So I'm not gonna swatch this because, like I said, I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit, I don't think I actually said it. So I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit our 600 subscriber. So help us get there and look for this in it. So I like this subscription box because not only do you get makeup items, but you get items for your house and home and kind of lifestyle items as well. Rival Paper Company. How great is it for this time of year? Merci is a box set of Rose Merci greeting cards. Don't forget to thank everyone for all those wonderful holiday gifts and friendly gestures you received this year. These beautiful greeting cards have gold foil details for a luxe touch. The original floral design is created by Rival Paper Company co-founder and CCO Anna Bond. It's so special to receive a piece of handwritten mail in our digital world. So help spread the joy and say merci. Suggested retail price is $18 and there are 8 cards in here with 8 envelopes. I love getting handwritten thank you cards. Like, I totally agree with that. You know, in this digital age, the handwritten ones are great. From MS Skincare is their Kapha body oil. I feel like some of it has leaked out and it's on kind of the box a little bit. It's an uplifting oil blend. It's warm and energizing, so it's great to use when you're tired and want to feel invigorated. To use, massage the oil into skin with long circular strokes. For best results, apply to damp skin directly after bathing or pour a small amount of oil onto a warm bath for an immersive aromatherapy experience. The coconut oil and Gotu kola extract in this formula are known to help reduce appearances of cellulite, scars, and skin damage. This product is the ultimate multitasker. Suggested retail price is $68. This is leaked everywhere. No, it's probably not going to pick up on the camera. Yeah, it's just the lid wasn't, I don't think. Yeah, I'm going to have to see if I can kind of clean that up. But here's what this looks like. From Thai Jewelry, I've gotten a ring in the past that I've really liked. POPSUGAR edition. Love all the Thai jewelry designs so much we decided to let you choose which piece you'd like to own. You got to pick from dainty hoop earrings, a gold tone necklace, you got to pick from dainty hoop earrings, a gold-toned rainbow necklace, or a silver-plated medallion necklace. There's something for every taste. Whatever you selected, it'll be the cherry on top of your outfit. It comes in this cute kind of burlap bag. So I picked the rainbow necklace. And look at how pretty that is. I hope all those colors show up. Stunning. I mean, it's pretty dainty, but so pretty. So the suggested retail price on this looks like it's about $68. From Hudson, Bleecker is their Pretoria Nomad round trip travel case. Whether you're headed for a weekend getaway or a long trip, this vegan saffron leather travel case will keep your toiletries organized. The chic black and white striped interior lining gives it a stylish touch that will make you smile every time you zip the bag open. It includes a TSA-friendly clear bag in case you're carrying on your luggage. This, your new packing essential, retails for $48. Has a gold zipper here and this cute handle. And then it zips almost all the way around. Here's what the interior looks like. Here it says, thanks, we hope you enjoy traveling with Hudson Bleecker. All of our products are crafted with great care and attention to every detail. Learn more about us at hudsonbleecker.com. Travel well, travel better. So here's what this looks like. And this pocket would be perfect if you're putting either small items in here, or how I would use it, I will put my makeup brushes just right in here. So it kind of keeps them separate. And then here is this clear case. You can put this in here if it's nice and snugly. If you want to keep the interior clean more, or if you really need two things, then you can put, you know, your liquid toiletries in here and then all your makeup stuff in this one. I think this is awesome. Lastly, from Apotheke is a white Vetiver reed diffuser to fill your space with lasting fragrance. This diffuser will keep your room smelling fresh for 3 to 4 months. The sultry velveted scent includes notes of cashmere, eucalyptus, and lilac entwined with earthy sandalwood, amber, and cedarwood. This reed diffuser is thoughtfully crafted using alcohol-free perfume-grade oils. You'll like it so much, you want one for every room. This retails for $48. And then it's got a cork on this one that's just holding it all in. And then this. Love this. Smell all the goodness. So I think this was a great month. I really, really like that tray. I think the makeup bag, the chemical blush, everything was really, really good. What were your favorites in here? So I did also sign up for the POPSUGAR Neiman Marcus version. I know I'm supposed to be a girl on my budget, but I set my stuff aside, and that's what I used my birthday money on, was to purchase that one-time box from POPSUGAR. So hopefully that'll be coming next month. I'm super excited to share that with you guys. I've never in my life even stepped foot in a Neiman Marcus store. We don't have them here in Boise. So I am excited to see what's in there. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. You just have to double click that subscribe button and that'll turn your notifications on. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.